The library's a little bit different from some other libraries, tertiary institution libraries, the mainstream universities and the public library, in that our library is primarily here for the students and the kaiako.
Wananga libraries are a unique challenge in that they give us the opportunity to find new ways and explore new ways of meeting what our customers want.
Thank you so much, May. I'll send those books out to you. Ka pai.
Some of our students haven't even stepped foot in a library before. I had a particular old lady, she was fantastic, and she sat in front of the computer and we turned it on for her, logged her on, and she picked up the mouse and she pointed it and clicked like it was a remote. She had absolutely no idea. It's just a matter of spending time with them.
It's upskilling everybody who has a desire or a need to learn or wish to improve on their skills.
Along with student support, we teach them APA referencing, how to write essays, and they can access online journals and articles from expensive databases that we subscribe to.
Our collections are built to match those particular areas that our students are doing and that our kaiako will be teaching.
Resources like the Maori Land Court Minute Books, the Journal of the Polynesian Society, the New Zealand Gazette, Aotearoa.
Our catalogue is online, so through that catalogue you can request information, books that you might find on there. And what we'll do with that, when we get the request, we package it up in a courier bag and we'll courier it to your door.
They get a courier bag to send it back, and they're, oh, it's free?
The library staff are really friendly, they love to have the people. As we say, a whare's not a whare unless it's got people within it. It's the same here in the library. You can come and see us face to face. We've got an 0800 number. It's a free call even from your cell phone, so you can contact us here in the Central Library on the 0800, no charge to your students, okay? You can email us through our email address, library@wananga. You can send a pigeon. Any way that you can communicate with us, we're open. We don't want to be a barrier. We're not gatekeepers to the collection. We're about open access and getting the information to you as soon as you need it.
We all have potential, and that's what we're looking at. Capturing, increasing, facilitating and encouraging at the Wananga Aotearoa.
It's a great service. It's an excellent service, and so take advantage of it, yeah.